Thank you for your purchase. This habit tracker is very easy to use. It's very simple, straightforward. And the great thing about this habit tracker is you're not only keeping track of your daily progress and weekly progress, you are also able to track your habit progress. How are you doing with your habits? For example, wake up at 5 a.m. Are you doing it on a daily basis or not? So you are able to check that as well. It is a great way to make sure that you are practicing, you are consistent with your daily habits. So here you are able to track this. So as you could see here, on the day's habit goal, you can set your own specific goals. As we know, the month of January has 31 days. Or let's just say you do not want to, focus on just 31 days. You want to start yourself slow, especially this is the first time that you are tracking yourself, you are making use of a habit tracker. So you can set a goal, let's say for 15 days or 16 days, right? So you can set the goals. As you're setting the goals, what's happening, your habit progress, as you can see, is changing. And it clearly shows you the number of days that you have completed. So with the number of days I've completed, so let's just say here I select 2 other days that I've completed this habit. Automatically it shows you that, well, the number of days that you set for yourself was 16, and your habit progress, you've accomplished it. It's a great way to celebrate yourself. And the days of completed is yes. The habits goal, yes, you met your goal. So there's a drop down menu. Once you select yes, as you could see, it turns to green. So let's say here the other days are 31 days. The other habits are 31 days. So express gratitude. So as you're expressing your gratitude throughout the weeks, throughout the days, you're able to, again, continue to check. So as you are checking what's happening here on this section for the daily habit goals, it is changing. So right now you can see it's at 42%. There's only 13 days that I've completed. And as you can see, there's a difference between the bar graphs. And then of course, let's say by the end of the 31st day and you were not done, select no. What you can see, it will shows you yellow. So this is a great way to visually see your progress as you are setting goals for your habits. And the other beauty of it is, with this habit tracker, you're not only able to keep track of your habit goals, you are also able to see how you're doing on a daily basis. As you could see at the bottom here, there's a daily statistics that will provide you on a daily basis how many habits have you completed, so here it shows you the number of goals and shows you the daily progress, and as well as on the overall on a weekly basis, how are you doing with your daily habits. You could see there are different colors throughout the daily progress. So between 0 and 50% is gonna be gray, between 50 and 75% is gonna be yellow, and 75% to 100 is going to be green. Okay, so this is a good way to, again, visually see how you are doing on a daily basis with your habits. If you scroll down, these are the things that you are doing on a weekly basis. So you are able to check them. And the reflection piece, it is a great way for you to sit down and take the time to really reflect. How was the week overall with all your habits? What are some changes that you're going to make sure that the next week you are improving yourself? Because the idea here is not just to write down the habits, but it's also for self-improvement, to make sure that what you are doing is also helping you grow as well. So let's say you are in the middle of the month and you want to start working on your habits. Don't worry, with this tracker, it's easy to do. So you see the first day, instead of you starting, you are able to change your days. So as you could see, as you click on the first day, it brings up a calendar. With this calendar, since today is the 7th of January, you can click on the day. As you click on it, automatically, as you can see, the day will change for you. And then all you have to do is, you see at the bottom right, there's a little square. Click on it until you see the plus sign. And all you have to do is just drag it to the end. Once you drag it, as you can see, it will give you the whole month of January, and it will give you part of February. So what you can do, if you want to, you can just basically delete these, and you don't need to worry about the 1st to the 6th of February, because you're going to be working that on the month of February. So automatically it changed for you. So it's never too late to start planning. At the bottom, as you could see, is the monthly habit. On a monthly basis, what are certain things that you're going to accomplish? Of course, pay your rent, save for your children. If you wanna, build your savings account, save $100. By the end of the month, you can also write your reflection. As you can see with this habit tracker, you are able to reflect not just on a daily basis to see your progress, on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly basis. And that will help you to make sure that you are doing what you need to do to improve yourself in order for you to accomplish your goals. So with this habit tracker, also you will have from January to the month of December, you are able to track your daily activities, your weekly activities, and your monthly activities for each of the months of the year. And at the end of this tracker, you will find a yearly goal habit tracker. With this yearly goal habit tracker, there are 7 different categories that you are going to find where you can focus on for the year. So you're going to have the spiritual aspect of your life, health, finance, family, your career, personal development, and as well as the social and community. So you are able to set goals for each of these categories. So when you have the overall goal for the year, what is it that you're going to do on a monthly basis to achieve that goal? What is it that you're going to do on a weekly basis to achieve the goal? And as well as a daily basis to achieve the goal. And at the end, you are able to basically check to see whether or not you've accomplished the goal. Again, take the time to really sit down and reflect on how you did throughout the entire time with your goal setting, because it is a great way for you to grow in every aspect of your life when it comes to those 7 categories. So as you are planning, don't forget, it's never too late to start working on improving yourself. It's never too late to start planning. I hope this video will definitely be a big plus for you when it comes to planning. Remember, it's never too late to start planning. Let's make this year a great and successful year for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to me.